We're actually going to talk about our privacy solutions next and how they coordinate with everything that you've learned so far.
Oh, wonderful.
So this is our Ackervan door. Traditional doors in most applications are wood veneer or plastic laminate. In high traffic areas that see high traffic and high abuse, you see a lot of door damage. Number one, it's unsightly. Number two, it actually can cause life safety issues. And three, it becomes an environmental control or infection control issue because when that wood edge or the door fractures, it creates a place for dust, debris, and bacteria to actually harbor. So the Ackervan door was actually engineered and developed to actually get past all those hurdles.
Okay.
So the major differences with this door is actually two major things. One, it has a radiused edge. So you don't have that crisp 90-degree between the face of a door and an edge of a door. So when that impact comes on a sharp edge, it fractures.
Right.
So then that drives up maintenance costs because they have to immediately patch it, paint it, or in some cases, added costs due to ancillary items like edge protectors, and on the face of the door, they put kick plates. Well, with the Ackervan door, those things aren't needed. So this product was developed and designed to have replaceable components. So not only is the edge rounded, but we have a replaceable edge cover and we have a replaceable style. The benefit there is that in the event that damage does occur, there are excessive things that can cause even this design to fail. But when that happens, you don't have to replace the whole door. That's the beauty of it. You can actually just replace the edge and the style. So at the top of every Ackervan door, there is a tag that you take a picture of, send it into our customer service, and from that, we have all the information that we need to actually remachine. If there was anything in the edge of the door, whether it's the hinge side or the latch side, we send it back out to the job site, and they, in the event that it's the latch side, they don't even have to remove the door from being hung. They can actually just take it off right there.
So you don't have to have this big supply of equipment there.
Or inventory.
Or inventory,
so
right.
They don't have to worry about keeping attic stock, right? So, because again, those are what if scenarios, right? It may never break, but in the event that it does, we give the customer that confidence that they don't need to worry about the entire door. All right, we're gonna actually go right over here to our full-size door sample so we can see some other features with the Ackervan door. So this door here actually is dressed out in the solid Ackervan color. So all of the options that Trish and Amy had mentioned previously, so whether it's our solid pallets, our wood grains, eventually our new wood grains, we don't have them yet, and even Ackervan by design can be applied to the Ackervan door. So all the benefits from Ackervan in terms of cleaning, easy to clean, you just wipe it down, whether it's soap and water, Windex, magic eraser.
Love magic eraser.
Yeah, and non-abrasive cleaners is actually used on Ackervan. The other nice thing is that Ackervan itself doesn't promote the growth of fungus or bacteria, which is, from an infection control standpoint, it's a nice feature to have. It comes with many options internal to the doors. You see a light kit here. This actually happens to be our wood bead light kit. So this is actually a wood bead that sets the glass inside the door that is painted to match, or in the event that we're using a wood grain for the surface, it can be stained to match as well. Sizing of the light kit actually depends on fire rating. So these doors come in what we call non-rated. So for a closet application like that, that would be a non-rated door, all the way up to a 90-minute fire rated door, depending on the application and code of the building. With the light kit design, sizing depends on the fire rating. So there are limitations due to the need to be able to meet the fire requirements for the opening.
And then Jason, what other door designs are available?
Oh, Angela, you're going exactly where I need you to go.
Okay.
So with the Ackervan door, we have, from a design capability standpoint, we also have the panelized door, recessed panel door. We have a design option for the behavioral health, which is our barrier resistant door. We have lead lined options and we have bullet resistant options. So absolutely, depending on the safety requirement for the building, we have bullet resistant options that meet level 1, 2, and 3. And all of those applications have the ability to take on Acronym by Design. So when we're talking about designing with a purpose, if you had a motif or a theme, let's say coming into pediatric ward,
Okay.
and you're looking to create an image that's calming for anybody coming into that space. So you might have a nice beach scene, some beach balls, seashells. Traditionally, if you were using a traditional wood laminate door, you get a break in the middle of those images, so it looks choppy going down that hallway. With the Acronym by Design, we can actually transition that image all the way down the hall so you don't lose or create a break.
I see.
So we have a couple projects where the doors can actually be used as a focal point.
Okay.
So we had an application in a high school where they took the logo, and on their cafeteria doors, they were actually getting damaged tremendously from the food carts and the students. You'd be surprised how much damage is done by students.
Would I be surprised? I don't know.
So they came to us, and they actually liked the opportunity to be able to put their logo from a branding standpoint to build morale and pride inside the school. So over 2 openings of pairs, so it was 4 separate doors, we transitioned their whole logo across that. So when the students were passing through the hallway, that is actually what they saw.
Fun.
So yeah, it made it fun.
Fun, school pride, all of that.
All of it.